Hello guys, let me show you how to write text messages using S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, make sure that Samsung keyboard is set up here by default. So, let's go in the settings, then scroll till you find General Management tab. Click it, and here click on Keyboard List and Default. And check whether the Samsung keyboard is set up by default or not. If not, enable it. Now let's go back in the main menu, and now we need to choose Advanced Features tab. Click it, and here click S Pen. And enable this S Pen to text by clicking this switcher. Great! And now let's test it. Let's open any Messages app, for example Samsung Messages. So, let's write something in here, and as you can see, my drawing transforms into a text, just like this. If you want to go back to the normal keyboard, just click this button and click again right here. Great! You can also type in something using this S Pen, as usually you do. And you can also draw a numbers here, which will transform into a text, just like this. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.